160 million years ago, the first birds appeared on our planet. A group of fully feathered theropods. Dromaeosaurids, Microraptors, and Velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a Velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Hi there, hello! Very good afternoon to you ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how is everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Awesome! By the way, my name is Shawal and I am a Raptor Ranger. And my team and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
I'm Daria, and we conduct rescue and release efforts as well as help to take care of the birds here. So today, we're going to show you our favorite predators on wings.
If you're all set, look right up there! That is Susie, our female bald eagle. The female raptors are bigger and heavier than the males, and she is no exception. Here she comes! Woo! The Susie has been with us for over 25 years. Her talents and wings are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
The Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms, and at high speeds, she can lift a prey of up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
The fun fact about bald eagles is that they build really huge nests. Now, how big it is? Well, let me just show you. I'm going to take this up as a marker. 1, 2, 3. It's about 10 feet wide, this wide, and 10 feet, 20 feet tall, which is about 3 or even 4 times my height. Impressive, isn't it?
Really impressive. You know what, Susie here has done well, and it is time for her to head back home. Oh, we go. Thank you very much. Big hand for Susie, everyone, our American bald eagle.
Daria, do you hear that?
Ah, that's a familiar call right up there. Well, that's Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagles are one of the few birds of prey that you can find right here in Singapore.
Now, white-bellied sea eagles have talents with rough underside, which allows them to grip onto slippery and struggling prey like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes. And right now we're going to do a quick demonstration. Once Nelson is in position, we're going to have Daria throw a replica of the snake into the pond. There he goes. Alright. And once he's ready, as mentioned, Daria will throw that into the pond and we shall see if Nelson's able to snatch it off. Here he comes!
Oh, I think he missed his footing there, Shawa. You know what, never mind. The snake is already in the pond, so why don't you get him into position to try this one more time?
Of course. Okay. Nelson, would you like to try back up onto the tree? Or right here?
Definitely get it together.
Okay, he's looking at his surroundings. I think he sees the snake. He's trying to calculate his ankle. Anytime now, Nelson.
Okay.
Alright.
Heading back that side. Not to worry, not to worry. Okay. Nelson, back right here. Anyway, it's quite common for birds of prey, especially the bigger birds of prey, to adjust their position to ensure that they have the great angle to snatch the prey. And you know what, Daria? If you want to reach great. We can try this once again.
Alright. Okay, hold on. Let me try this.
Alright, not to worry, not to worry. It just give Dara some time. And go. Excellent, Dara. Alright. Okay, we're gonna try this once again. So, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on Nelson. Here he comes!
And fantastic!
That just goes to show you that they are persistent indeed. But fret not, for those of you who are wondering how does the perfect snatch look like, take a look right at the screen. There you go. Wow, excellent snatch indeed.
You know, Shallow?
Yes?
White-bellied seagulls are actually one of my favorite raptors you can find in Singapore.
Well, there's another raptor you should watch out for, and that will be the Brahminy kite. So there we go. Let's welcome Sapphire. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sapphire, a Brahminy kite. And Brahminy kites like Sapphire are medium-sized raptors. But don't let their size fool you. These birds can still prey from a bird as big as Nelson. That's right. If you're walking around Mandai, you remember to look up. This is how they look like in the skies.
It's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. So the first would be their size, and then their coloration, last but not least, the shape of their wings. So white-bellied seagulls, they have V-shaped wings and a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the Brahminy kites, they have M-shaped wing and a U-shaped tail, and they are of course much more brownish. And I believe Sapphire has done well. It is time for her to head back home. Home is all the way back you came from. Alright, the wind is blowing and off we go. Almost. So as you can see, the wind do play a big part in these birds' flight path, right? Sometimes it is difficult for them to adjust and maneuver to get the right angle and momentum. Alright, so Sapphire, how about you join me back here? Alright, let's try this again. Alright, let me just do a bit of reading. Oh, wind is picking up. Okay, not to worry, how about we get another Raptor Ranger to join me on stage to pick up Sapphire right here. And oh, there we go. Thank you, Lorenz. Alright then. Okay, let's try this. Excellent. A better spot for the bit. Okay. How about another big round of applause for Sapphire, everyone? Our Brahminy kite.
Now each year, 2 million raptors begin their migratory journey from Europe and Asia to Africa. And it is a perilous journey. Thousands never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are killed before sport. So we need your help to save these birds, or our skies will soon be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove all sick as well as get rid of dead animals. One bird in particular helps us with pest control. And that bird is the owl. The rodents they hunt never hear them coming. So with that, everyone, we're now joined by Latif, our Malay fish owl, and Soren, the barn owl.
Well, owls have soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which alters air turbulence and absorb noise, making them as silent as a whisper. They also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, which gives them depth perception.
That's right, and the colors of their eyes actually tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they like to hunt during the daytime. Owls with orange eyes not least, owls with black eyes. They tend to hunt at night. So with that, everyone, let's give a round of applause to our lovely owls. Thank you very much, owls.
Well, owls are nature's pest controllers. They help to keep our environment clean. There's another species of bird that helps to keep our environment clean. They clear out carcasses. And I'm talking about vultures. But vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you watch TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling in the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. Well, we are here to tell you the real story.
That's right, owls use columns of air to fly and glide as they use their sense of sight and smell to seek out dead animals. Vultures prevent the spread of diseases.
And with that, say hello to our turkey vulture, Zena. They come from the Americas and they are one of many birds with finely tuned sense of smell.
That's right, that means the turkey vultures are usually the first onto the scene of a carcass. Other vultures would follow them. But the other vultures will be doing the hard work of ripping apart the tough skin and hide of the animal.
The fun fact about turkey vultures is that their stomach acid is acidic as car batteries. And this allows them to digest carrions. And with that, I believe Zena has done a terrific job, and it's time for her to head back home. Off you go. Alright, I think she wants a big round of applause. Let's give it to her, everyone. Off we go. Oh, we have another one that really loves the limelight. Okay, I do urge everyone, please take a seat, right? Thank you. Excellent fly there.
Thank you very much, Zena, our turkey vulture.
So you met a vulture that came from Americas. Let's meet a vulture that was an Asian vulture species that was actually rescued right here in Singapore. So hold your breath and behold the mighty Genghis, our Himalayan red vulture. Right away, allow me to share a story about Genghis. Back in 2005, a young Himalayan griffon vulture began its migratory journey from the Tibetan plateau down to Thailand for the winter. Along the way, he got lost and ended up in Orchard Road in Singapore. Now, he was extremely weak and too exhausted to continue his journey. So we brought him back to bird path and nursed him back to health.
Unfortunately, Genghis suffered an injury which prevented him from being released back into the wild. So he is now a very special member of our raptor family. He definitely lives up to his name, Genghis. Do that, everyone, let's give Genghis a round of applause, our Himalayan griffon vulture.
Everyone, take a look at the screen. That is a scene of chaos. Greedy birds competing and stripping a carcass down to its bones. Well, but vultures are social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there's a feeding protocol. So with that, let's welcome our first guest to the feast, the African white-backed vultures. predators that feed on the organs and flesh. Of course, they are sociable and aggressive feeders. Alright? Once they on the carcass, they will wait before feeding on it. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and strip the carcass clean in less than 5 minutes. Now, once widely found in Africa, they are critically endangered and disappearing at an alarming rate.
So next course we have the ligaments and the hide of the animals. So enter the Snatch Vulture, our heavyweight from Europe. Snatch vultures are usually solitary animals except for when they mate and have chicks. These birds prefer to feed in smaller groups. Our male right over there, he has large gripping feet with sharp talons and a hoof beak to rip apart the tough skin of the animal as well as to eat chunks of flesh.
Well, Daria, don't we have 2 more scavengers to join us on stage?
That's right, Shawal.
Yes, so let's welcome the Marble Star from Africa, right up there. And one more from right that side. Well, they have dagger-like beaks and a stern old man face.
They coexist and cooperate with vultures. About 70% of the species of vultures in Africa about 11 species of Africa in vultures clean up 70% of the continent's carrion. So we would be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
For all around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcass, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious belief. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from becoming extinct. So let us now take a moment to give a round of applause to these amazing birds for keeping our environment safe.
Today you've met raptors and scavenger birds, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth, are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation. Let us all do our part to live in harmony with all predators on wings. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our presentation. We hope that you have enjoyed it as much as we have in presenting it to you. So do take note, our next program will be The Wings of the World at 5 p.m. right here at Sky Amphitheater. Wings of the World at 5 p.m. So on your way out, do remember to check for your belongings and do not leave anything behind. You're happy with a great audience. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed it right here in the Bird Paradise.